afternoon, guys. How is it going? Before the video starts, I just want to say real quick that I'm using a different camera than I normally use. That being said, I don't know how to use it all that well, so if the settings are a little bit off or the video's a little bit shaky, I apologize in advance. But from what I know, which really isn't that much about cameras, this camera is supposed to be a lot better than my old camera quality-wise. If it's not, just let me know down in the comments. I could always go back to the old camera. Today we are going to be working on the BRZ, and for once, we are not going to be doing an exterior mod. We're actually going to be working on the inside. Why was my actually super high-pitched? Actually. But yes, today we are going to be working on the interior of the BRZ, and I think that it's the first time we're ever doing something to the interior. I mean, I have a shift knob, but other than that, the interior of my car is like super stock. Just like my motor. So, there's my shift knob. There's my butt print. But yeah, my interior is pretty stock, but today that's gonna change. Huge shout out to DND Performance for hooking it up with the steering wheel. I still have never opened it since I got it. I don't know if you guys can see the tape or not, but I'm really stoked on opening it up and finally seeing it. The hub I got from High Intake Performance. Huge thank you to Eric for hooking it up. And I already opened that up, but yeah, this is a lot harder to open with one hand. So here is the hub. It's just a normal energy hub. Also along with the hub, I think it came with resistors for the airbag. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure these are resistors so your airbag light doesn't go on. Still have not seen the steering wheel. I know what it looks like. They sent me a picture before sending it out to me, but dude, I'm excited. Oh, it feels, oh dude, it feels so good. Damn. Dude, it feels so good. Oh my God. A suede steering wheel is 10 times better than the leather one I had. Holy crap. Damn, dude. This feels so good. So other than the steering wheel, they also sent out a nice little decal to put on the back of the car. This is probably a box full of hardware, a lanyard, that's pretty cool, and really shiny stickers. Trust me, I know quick releases are made for like race cars with fixed racing seats where you can't get in and out of the cars without removing the steering wheel, but you can't even lie, quick releases are super badass. Now truthfully speaking, I don't really know how to install this, so I'm kind of going to be learning as I go. But what I do know first is we have to pop open the hood and disconnect the battery because we don't want this nice little airbag here to blow in our faces. I know it's extremely hard to see. It actually took me a little while to find, but there's like this little pin here on the bottom, and apparently it's on the two sides as well. Basically, what you have to do is push the pin up. Bam. The bottom of the airbag is pretty loose. Now you have to just do that on the two sides, and then the airbag just pretty much comes out. So got the airbag all released out, and still feel like, even though the battery's disconnected, still feel like this could pop out. And oh geez, wires. I'm so bad with wires. So if I remember correctly, this is for the horn, these are for the airbag, and I have to take it out very carefully because you don't want to mess up the clock spring, I believe it is. Steering wheel is now off. What I'm worried about now is that yeah, I might have fucked up. This thing is moving around. As soon as I took it off, it just like spun all around, and I'm pretty sure this isn't supposed to move. So that kind of scares me. So I'm just gonna place it back where it was and just hope that everything stays okay. Not gonna lie, I'm really sketched out right now. Trust me when I say this, I feel like the energy is just a little off. Like that's supposed to be the middle. That's supposed to be perfectly centered. But when I look at it, I feel like it's just a little off-centered. This thing is more obvious, like it's like a little off-centered. It's gonna bother me so much, but I can't really turn this thing. Even when this bolt is loose, I can't turn it. So I think I'm just gonna have to leave it. I might just need an alignment, I don't even know. The airbag light is gonna turn on because I couldn't put in the airbag resistors. I just couldn't figure it out, so I said screw it, whatever, I'll just have to live with the airbag light. But dude, I'm so excited. This feels really nice. I love the suede steering wheel. I'm so excited. About to connect the battery and about to start it and take it out for a test drive. I wanted a quick release for like the longest time ever. This is so dope. I know it's a little hard to see, but with this quick release, you just push it and boom. Dude, that's so fucking sick. I love it. Oh my God. Bam. That's so cool. It might be a little hard to hear because the compressor is on for the bags, but I keep hearing a clicking sound. That's kind of sketchy, but all right, let's just try forgetting that happened. Got the steering wheel in. It's kind of jank. I don't have the ABS or the airbag resistors in. I definitely have to put that in.
A few moments later.
Holy shit, dude, they're shiny.
I know.
Oh
Holy shit, they're
God.
icy.
Damn, so what are these?
ESRs, SRO1s, I believe. I don't remember too much.
You don't know your own wheels, bro?
Yeah, I don't remember.
You don't know your wheels, bro?
These weren't the ones I was gonna get.
Come on, bro.
They weren't.
So right now the plan is that since Jay just got his wheels, we're gonna hurry up, put his wheels on the car. I finished Juan's exhaust and my little brother cleaned up my car. So we're gonna go out, take some pictures, but first we have to help him put his wheels on because there's no point in taking pictures if you don't have some nice wheels. Little update, it's way too dark for Juan to take pictures. He took some pictures, but like he barely saw anything. So we're gonna end off the night right here. Jay already left early. We came to get some pizza. Juan is so mad at me right now that I'm closing out the video. He's just standing there, just waiting for me to get done. We came to get some pizza. I'm gonna end the video right here. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely hit that like button and consider hitting that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Peace out.